Al, what has impressed you so far?
I would say the biggest thing was the work you did on the side without anyone asking to fight for us with our controls companies, to really help us understand bills, to help us understand what the service contracts are and everything like that. We never asked you to do that, but as part of this project, that stuff kind of came out and did a very good job of helping us understand that stuff. And that's huge, because not very many superintendents out there or school boards that really understand service contracts and HVAC and controls and all that stuff. So just the educational part on all that was really nice.